In this video, we discuss about current month and date. We going to do that? I wanted to provide a solution which shall work under all irrespective whether a month has 28/29. Get the current date, add 1 month to the current date to get the next month, get the start date of next month, subtract a day from the start date of next month to arrive at the last day of current. The add to time action. Use the time zone conversion action to convert it to a specific time zone, since UTC now always returns the UTC date and time. I used a string variable to get. I used start of month function to get the starting day of the next month. Then subtract 1 day to arrive at the last day of the current month. If you are new to Power Automate, the flow. And below is the result when I run the flow. Example as of writing this video, today is 30th of January 2023. And rightly it shows the last day of month as 31st of January 2023. In this video, we can automatically generate this by using Microsoft Flow. Let us create the flow. Go to https://flow.microsoft.com and sign in with your Office 365. Create from the navigation the flow name, and in the Choose Your Flows trigger select when an item is created the SharePoint site address from the site address dropdown. Once you select the SharePoint site, it will auto-populate the lists in the list name dropdown. Select your list. Then search for variable and choose action and add a initialize variable. Select type as string and in the value click on add dynamic content. Write the below expression and change as your formula. Concat sale list, trigger body, job title, value, ID. Now, we need to update the list column value with this value coming in the variable. You can choose update item flow action. Same as upper expression and change. Now, we need to update the list column value with this value coming in the variable. Then you can choose update item flow action.
In this video, we are going to see how to upload a file to SharePoint from Power Apps. First, add a text label and text input in the Power Apps screen, and next I am leaving the text input default value as empty. Same as above, 2 steps. Take one text label and text input for file content, and next click Insert Choose button and place button the screen. Change the button name properties text, and next create a one SharePoint document library in the SharePoint. Click on Power Automate, create a flow to connect SharePoint and create file. Next choose site collection, next choose document library from site collection, and next integrating to Power Apps, and next save the flow and add the flow to Power Apps. Shown in the screenshot, create file name, text file name, create file content, text file content, next formula bar parameters flow, update a file to SharePoint. Run text file name, text file context, next save and publish the app as shown in below screenshot. Enter the file name and file content, next click on the button the flow trigger, the output will SharePoint, and next hear the output.
In this video, we tend to miss important updates. Some reminders here in order to handle these kinds of things. Scheduled cloud flows come to rescue in Power Automate. As a real-time scenario, we tend to forget take a break of 5 minutes for every hour/laptops in the X. I will try to explain this scheduled cloud flow. Log into the required Power Apps environment using URL make.powerops.com by providing username and password, and click on Flows on the left-hand side. Click on New Flow and select Scheduled Cloud Flow and name it as Screen Break and run this flow. Provide starting date as June 8, 2023 at 9:45 a.m. and select 1 hour under repeat every and click on Create as shown in the below figure. To recurrence, select Operation Send Email and select Action Send Email V2 Gmail as shown in the below figure. After step 3, under Send Email, V2, Gmail, provide required emails under to field 2, email@gmail.com subject. Take break 4 so that refresh as shown in the below figure. Next save and test it's run successfully. After step 4. In this video, we will show how to create an array function in Power Automate. As an example, we will see how to combine 2 distinct arrays of questions and answers into a single array, as well as how. Now take the manually trigger a flow from the Instant Cloud Flow. Next take initialize variable with the following values showing an image. Next create a parallel branch. Take initialize variable for the parallel branch and add the values like showing in the image. Next take a compose action and add the below formula in the expression. Next take initialize variable and add the values. Next add a parallel branch and take initialize variable and add values showing in the image. Next take a compose and add the below formula in the expression. Create array variables doubts, variables answers for the doubts. Now click Save and test the flow and observe the output.